Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the SEO and SEO tools and SEO keywords search. I hope this video you understand the meaning of some of SEO and SEO keywords. Identify a topic. Start with identifying a topic that can draw the attention of your audience. Publish blogs and videos that address your audience pinpoints. Use Google Suggest when you type your search query in the Google search bar. Use this list of the most commonly typed keywords in that category. Find long tail keywords. Long tail keywords, as the name suggests, are specific and detailed. These are either in the question form or long phrases that explain your services in detail to your target audience. Use Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planners shows you the number of searches for the particular keyword and the competition categorized into low, medium and high. Focus on keywords with low competition. Track the success of your keywords. Test your keywords and their progress to get a clear picture of what's working and what's not. Conduct competitive keyword research. You need to focus on your competitors are important. Audit regularly and decide which keywords to continue using and which ones are not making sense. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel and share comments. Thanks for watching this video.